Hello art fans. Windsor Artist is back. Exciting pour today. New technique, and also I have the camera mounted so you can see from above. The big metal thing is actually an ice stomper, and I'm using it for right now until my new tripod comes, because I'm just tired of the small iPod always getting in the way and falling over, and it's actually messed up 2 pours in the past, and so I'm trying something new. This technique I'm using for today is comes from the inside of book designs. I don't know if you've ever looked inside of a book and you go to the last page or the front page, you'll see these designs. One of the techniques that they use for that is feathering, and it's still used. It's used for other mediums as well. So we're going to try it in acrylic pouring. So let's get down to this. So first, we're going to just pour multiple different colors right onto the pad. Right onto the canvas. The colors I am using today, picked out by my friend Mark Greenstein. He also gave me the idea for the feathering to try. So the colors that he chose are crimson, daffodil yellow, navy blue, and forest green. So we're going to go right ahead and just pour it straight onto the canvas. Now, I can't tell if you guys can see, or what you guys can see. I did try to mount it so that you can just see the canvas and the colors. But I am sorry if it doesn't show everything. But this is like a new try thing for me, so. And the only time I'll stop the camera is if I have to make more paint. I don't know if you guys want to see that, and probably don't. So. And as feathering, it's going to be quite simple. All I'm going to be doing once I fill up the entire canvas with different colors is going straight back and forth like that, and then up and down, or I might even just do it curved. Who knows? We'll see. I will be tilting the canvas just to get the colors to spread a tad bit, and then I will pour more. Okay, I think that should be good. Maybe I should just continuously pour until I'm completely filled. The only thing is I'm running out of paint. I made quite a bit too. Let's put that over here. And I'm running out of paint really fast. I should have done is made like a black and filled in all the negative areas with just black, but I didn't want the black to mix with the colors, so I'm just going to take what I have here and just fill it in where I can with the leftover colors. The feathering effect should still work. Okay, I'm just going to let it spread, and then I will feather the rest. Okay. Just let it spread. You guys can still see this. And if the video's a bust, then well, I'll just do a different one. Okay, I've got it pretty much spread almost all over the canvas, so this should work. Okay, so I'm going to just take the palette knife. I'm hoping you guys can still see this. Just go like this. Look at that. That is nice. A little bit too fast there. This is my first time doing this, so my hand is not completely steady. Let's go back through it again, I guess. This is like one of those illusions from those illusion books when you're growing up. Wow, that looks really cool. Kind of want to spread it out now, just to see. Go through it again. Now, since I'm not really trying to get a look or anything or a theme, the ends, the sides of the canvas, I'll just pick up the paint and kind of paint it. You know what? Let's see what happens when I do this. Wow, that is really cool. Okay, let's get this spread a little bit more. Actually, I don't really want to mess this up. It looks really, really cool. I don't want to mess that up. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is just pick up the paint and just reapply it in the areas. And then even if it's muddy, that's still better than messing up everything I have going on. Okay. I gotta get my bricks to hold up the paint so it can drip off. I'll be right back. Okay, art fans, I am back. I have it raised so it can dry and let the paint come off the sides. But I just wanted to give you another quick look of how it turned out. It came out amazing. You have striations that cause a pattern effect. You really don't have a lot of gradation or cells. I mean, I probably could have done cells, but I didn't want to take away from what I had achieved, and I think it came out beautiful. I think I'm going to be using this technique a lot more, and I can't wait to try new color schemes for this. I'm thinking maybe next time doing maybe a metal color scheme, like a metallic silver, gold, maybe like 2 different kinds of gold, like light gold, darker gold, and a bronze in there, and see how that turns out for my next one. And I will see you later.